Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys the full tutorial how I use split view on Google Chrome. This is really cool stuff, cool feature from Google Chrome that I love it. It makes my multitasking workflow much better than before. Okay, here I will show you the example or I want to demo with you this split view. You just right click on it and then click add tab to new split views and then click at the first it's shown the left pane, and then you can choose the tab on the right pane here. For me, I just on this demonstration only two tabs, so I just click this new tab. So I have now two separate views of Google Chrome tabs. If you doesn't see, I mean, if you didn't see the split tab view, what you have to do, you just relaunch to update your Google Chrome. If your Google Chrome not update or there are no relaunch to update, you just press on this triple dot and then click settings, and then okay, I will I will separate it the tab. Okay, this is the setting, and then click this burger icon and then click this about Chrome, and then you can click update on this Chrome version. Okay, okay, that's how to update if you couldn't see your split view option. Okay, let's go back to the split view. I want to show you the full tutorial, that feature that I love the most. The first I love the most, when we do this split view, it handles differently because so if I wonder if I do zoom in and zoom out, both split view will zoom in and zoom out, but Google not doing that. That's really cool. For example, I want to zoom in on this Gemini left pan. See, I will zoom in. See, now only the Gemini on the left pan zoom, and then if I want to zoom out on the right pan, I could just click on it and then zoom out. Really cool. If you couldn't see this magnifier icon, you can press Control plus on your keyboard or Control minus on your keyboard. I believe if you are using Mac, you just use CMD plus and CMD minus. It's really cool. That's the first feature that I love the most about this split view. And then the second cool feature of this split view is you can adjust this horizontal width. See, this is cool because sometimes for me, I work for doing my presentation on the left pan. I mean on the right pan, I can open my document, my PDF, docs, and so on. And then on the left side, I will open my presentation, my deck, my Canva. So that's really cool. Really cool. I could use this split view separately on Google Chrome. That's how to adjust your horizontal width on this Google Chrome. As simple as you drag your mouse and then hover on the middle line here, and then just drag it to the left, drag it to the right. Here, that's the second thing I love the most regarding this feature. Okay, the next thing I will show you how to close the split views. Okay, if you want to close directly, I mean, if you want to make it gone or delete your split your tab, you just simply click close button on right here. Okay, there are two options, of course. For the left pane, you just click close on the left pane, and then for the right side, you just click close on the right side. That's how to make it gone. I mean, you close and it will be gone on your Google Chrome. But for most of the case, we don't want to make it delete, or we don't want to leave it, make it gone. Well, most of the case, I think we want to make it separate. Because we still want to work on that tab, but we don't need we no more need the split views. So instead of closing this close button, clicking this close button, what you have to do, you just click on this arrange split views and then click this separate views. Now we have both of the tab as an individual tab. That's how to doing that. Okay, okay, I think that's enough this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.